Hello guys, my name is Alex Kimani, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share. In today's digital economy, passive income has become the holy grail for many. The idea of earning money while you sleep or go about your daily activities is highly appealing, especially with the rise of technology that makes it easier than ever to generate income streams. One such platform that stands out is Nodepay.ai, which allows users to earn simply by sharing their unused bandwidth. From understanding what bandwidth sharing is to optimizing your earnings and addressing key concerns like security and privacy. What is Nodepay.ai? Nodepay.ai is a decentralized platform that rewards users for sharing their unused internet bandwidth with the network. The concept behind the platform is simple. Many internet users, especially those with broadband, high-speed connections, don't fully utilize their available bandwidth. Nodepay.ai allows you to share this unused capacity with the platform, which in turn sells it to businesses and individuals who need extra bandwidth. For your contribution, you are compensated in cryptocurrency or fiat currency depending on your preference. With the increasing demand for decentralized applications and blockchain technology, Nodepay offers a unique opportunity to monetize your unused internet bandwidth. By leveraging multiple virtual private servers, that is VPS, you can maximize your earnings efficiently.